How to fix Snapchat login problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go into the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Snapchat and click on it like this, and then click here on this option and go down into the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data and click here down on delete. After that, go back and click on the power usage details and go into the power consumption alert and disable the power consumption alert like this and disable it back like this. Now all what you want to do next is go back into the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe.